kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about words beginning with the sound of the letter M. In this lesson, you will be able to sound out the sound of the letter M. At the same time, you will be able to read words with the beginning sound of M. Are you ready? M is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter M. How to write the uppercase letter M? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter M. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the baseline. Next, go back to the starting point. Slant right to the baseline. Then, slant upright to the blue headline. Finally, pull down straight to the baseline. This is a lowercase letter M. How to write the lowercase letter M? Use one continuous stroke to write the lowercase letter M. Start at the middle line and move straight down to the baseline. Then, move back up curving to the right until reaching the baseline. And finally, move back up again curving to the right until reaching the baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter M. M is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter M sounds as mm, mm, mm.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. M, A, Ma. Map. M, E, Me. Man. M, E, Me. Milk. M, O, Mo. Mop. M, O, Mo. Mug. Let's practice. Ma. Me. Me. Mo. Ma. Me. Ma. Mo. Ma. Me. Mo. Me. Me. Ma. 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 Mo. Me. Me. Ma. Now, it's your turn. Ready? Ma, mad. Ma, man. Ma, map. Ma, mat. Me, medal. Me, man. Me, mess. Me, met. Me, milk. Me, mint. Me, mirror. Me, mittens. Mo, mom. Mo, mop. Mo, monkey. Mo, moon. Mo, mud. Mo, muffin. Mo, mug. Mo, mushroom. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter M. Mad, man, mop, mat, medal, man, mess, met, milk, mint. Mirror, mittens, mom, mop, monkey, moon, mud, muffin, mug, mushroom. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the picture is ma, mass. The beginning sound of the picture is me, melon. The picture begins with ma, monkey. The beginning consonant vowel pair of the picture is mango. The beginning sound of the picture is medal. The beginning sound of the picture is mushroom. The beginning sound of the picture is mouse. The name of the picture begins with match. The name of the picture begins with mermaid. The beginning sound of the picture is mixer. The name of the picture begins with monster. The name of the picture begins with mosquito. The picture begins with muffin. The name of the picture begins with menu. The name of the picture begins with market. The name of the picture begins with magnet. The picture begins with monitor. The name of the picture begins with marbles. The name of the picture begins with motorcycle. Check the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter M. These are the pictures whose names begin with the letter M. Mango, monkey, mop, mushroom, mirror, milk, mouse, mug. Practice writing the letter M on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.